What's up, audit fans? Dr. Amanda White here from Amanda Loves to Audit, your home on YouTube for all things audit and accounting. For those who are new to the channel, I've been here on YouTube for a while, since I think about 2012. It's taken me that long to get around to making a trailer for my channel, but I'm trying a new office setup, so I thought it would be a great excuse to crack out the camera and get started on this clip. I am a senior lecturer at, can't see that very well, University of Technology, Sydney, a fantastic institution. I've been affiliated there for over 2 decades, but I started my career in audit at Coopers & Lybrand, then at PricewaterhouseCoopers, and then some years after being in audit, I moved into academia. I've done a PhD in audit, so I really am a fan of audit, about audit judgment and decision making and human behavior and psychology. And I focus on teaching and learning in accounting, and also I've got a side project on academic integrity. So why am I here on YouTube? I started making videos because students really liked the way I explain things and my drawings. If you've seen some of my clips, I do a lot of drawings. And I was essentially a bit lazy. Didn't want to have to keep explaining it over and over again, so I started making videos. Then my university said, Amanda, you're taking up too much bandwidth on our servers and internet traffic, put them somewhere else. So they found a home on YouTube, and 7 years later, I'm still going, making content. What sort of stuff will you find on the channel? You'll find things like instructional videos about audit concepts. I've got a whole series on auditing standards. I talk about current affairs and events, and a whole lot of material to help you study audit at both the undergraduate and the postgraduate level, for professional qualifications and for university studies. I'm really passionate about accounting as a tool for social mobility. Learning accounting can change your life, literally. I've seen that in emails I've received from people all around the world who have used my videos to study and gain their professional qualification, and then give themselves more financial freedom, support their families, and also help their communities. So for me, I'm really passionate about accounting and audit, and I hope you enjoy the channel. If you have any questions, things you'd love to see, I'm always happy to take requests. I can't say that I'll always be able to produce those requests. I do have a full-time day job, which is teaching and working at the university, where I'm involved in a number of different projects, but where I can, I try and make content for YouTube. So thanks for watching. I'd love it if you click the subscribe button, and make sure you click the notification bell to get all of the latest updates. I have teaching videos. I also do travel vlogs when I'm traveling around the place for university and for conferences, showing you a little bit what academic life is like. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye.